Question 6. Cita's investigating the popularity of 2 social media websites. She asks 60 technology students how much time they would spend on social media website A yesterday. A cumulative frequency curve shows the data below. So you've been given a cumulative frequency graph already for the 60 students that were asked. The question is asking, use the diagram to find an estimate for the interquartile range of the time the students spent using social media website A. So our interquartile range is basically the upper quartile, take away the lower quartile. I could write that as UQ minus LQ, which means we need to find the quartiles. So the upper quartile occurs at the 3/4 value of the total, or 3/4 value of n. I don't need to do this whole n plus 1 for now, because of the fact that the data has come from, well, you don't see it here, but it's come from a cumulative frequency table. It's come from continuous data. We don't have individual actual values here. We have groups of values in terms of time spent. So we can just use n and multiply it by 3/4. For the lower quartile, we can use n and multiply it by 1/4 in order to find out where the lower quartile is. So with n being 60, not 70, as I've seen a lot of people do before. They just look at the number that's at the top of the graph, right? 60 relates to the top or the end of our cumulative frequency graph. It also is stated here how many people we have. Then we're going to find 3/4 of 60, and we're going to find 1/4 of 60, which is going to give us the 45th and the 15th values are the ones that we're going to be looking for our quartiles. So the 45th value is going to be here, and the 15th value is going to be here. So what we will have from that is that we go along to our cumulative frequency graph, and then we go down and read off the value that is here. So our upper quartile is 50, based on what you've just seen me do there. Our green one is going to be 35, and then when we take these away from each other, we're going to get 15 as our interquartile range. So our interquartile range, an estimate for, is 15.